Getting awful close.
Kiki is so over motherhood. Excuse you. They're fighting, Kiki. Break them up.
Tinky, you're being so awkward.
Oh my god.
Day of my life, not one day of my life.
Не пролезешь.
No. Jeff. Why, man?
Take.
What the?
Come here, Sage.
First people over and then out.
Dog thinks he's a kitty cat.
No.
His calm face shows who's the clear winner of this battle.
Animal medical center. He doesn't want to go. When you have to go to the hospital, but you want to go back home. Stay.
No. No.
How long can she pretend to sleep in front of these three incredibly adorable and very...
Or the sneaky one. Smarter next time. Stay tuned.
Flip your ear. Flip.
Just a delight, and they talk about the same shit we do, so it's just bound to be a good time.
All the same bullshit
for everybody.
All right, guys.
All right, on that note, thanks for listening, and I guess on with the episode.
Oh my god.
Cosa da segurança nacional.
What is that? Where did you find a whole sausage?
You're not scared. You're not scared.
Mother, I crave violence.
No. No.
The moment he realized they were at the vet, he pulled a perfect 180 and turned right around.
Let me see. Let me see.
Come pick him up.
No!
He's stuck between gardening and dancing.
Just a little touch and the dog reacts as if something terrible just happened.
Are you okay?
Although he's a playful dog, he really is a very caring companion.
Guess who's completely mortified after doing something incredible?
Louie. Puppies. Puppies. Puppies.
We got the lemon and honey.
옳지.
We all have those days when we're so annoyed and don't want any.
Why being naughty? Sliding down the stairs doesn't remedy it.
He caught it, that's why!
We've just found this 5-week kitten and we've introduced it to Storm, and Storm...
Do you know you just discovered a pastime that's loved all around the world?
This cat is the most loved and spoiled member of the family, and its siblings are 3 dogs.
Try doing this with your dog and see the reaction.
Hazel, get off. Off. Off.
Hazel, down. Off. Hey. Get down. No. Bad Hazel. Bad Hazel. No.
Even on the streets, they care for each other with all the tenderness in the world.
Honey.
Hello.
What you doing?
They launch a full cuddle invasion. These Golden's ready to be a big bro if he gets a new little bro.
For help.
Poor Uncle Petey. Schmo, stop eating Uncle Petey.
Strategy.
A higher volume of tests.
It's taken him 2 years to figure that out. 2 years.
Only those who love scaring others end up getting played like this.
So much stuff, do not get into my way, because I found a stick and I'm using it today. Come here.
你问我个事情啊，我那个烂的了，我打了大。
Secret running technique, chase squirrels diagonally.
Fluffy white Samoyed has become the warmest mom to the little kitten.
Here's Peach and Pumpkin trying to...
For its first 6-function multi-band
Come here. Touch it.
Huh? 好快啊，小明。好可爱哟，这臭妈。
It's okay. Stop.
I bet this isn't the first time he's been singing the heartbreak and betrayal anthem.
Why are you standing like that? It's not that bad. Pepper.
Or lay down, your choice. Are you ready? Look at me.
Cassian.
Little furball trying to become a snowball.
Start off.
Cats conserve energy whenever possible. Moving out of the way, not energy efficient.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, I just want to.
La 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 la.
Oh my gosh! What do I do?
C'est des petits crapauds, ils peinent. Allez, on rentre. Bah, t'es preuve, toi. J'aime bien.
What? What? I can't.
These pups have mastered emotional persuasion. Dad is not being hugged, he's being lovingly blackmailed.
미키 무서워.
Trời, mẹ bữa nay có vụ vuốt chửi cho như con chó, bữa nay lại vuốt về tao lại sao ta? Sao tao đi nhỏ này quá? Thôi nha, tao nói thôi nha. Thôi à.
Ừ.
他那个手是抠得紧了，我看看。
不要打架了。
Don't be upset with me. I love you. Please don't be upset. I'm sorry.
Why is this clueless creature even here? We're clearly not on the same level.
Don't mess with puppies. Revenge comes in mysterious ways.
야, 이거 바지잖아.
Yeah, I'm a little. You know, dive deep. More like dive deeper to do with the bucket.
Oh!
You okay?
To you? No! Bella. What?
Who is this? Girl, I am the only king in this house.
It's asleep.
These furballs will mess with any kind of water as long as it's not for bathing.
Now it's hard to hear me over that jingle, huh? Cold, come.
Happy birthday, Yakini Cavalli. Oh, it's flipping back.
I wanna kill my mom! What the fuck? I wanna kill my dad!
Bye. Jump.
What are you doing?
Archie.
Please.
No.
Don't
please.
run.
Please, Archie, please.
Don't.
Good boy. Good sit.
a cookie? No? Do you want dinner? No? Do you want to go for a walk? No? Do you want a cookie? No.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody is crying of happiness because she got a dog, a puppy. Look here, look here. Why are you crying, Neha Pardesi? So if it's cute, then you cry.
What are you looking at? I'm sleeping like this because I feel safe.
We just sat on the ground and pee now.
Coming to the meeting. This meeting is gonna be
Hora de comprar uma almofada de pescoço.
You cannot be
Exclusive place, and this is the rest time.
Move! Your tushy ain't royal. Hey, stop! No shame, huh?
Look at her face. Oh no, she's jumping.
Stop the belly rubs, and you will face consequences.
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
So you know it's like that, huh?
Oh shit! Over here now. That's gonna cut me.
Dawaj, Gac! Dawaj, dawaj, tu odpuść!
Don't move. The box can't see me.
Come on, bro. Ice cream on me. Let's go.
Look out!
You literally can't go outside. You know why?
Gayret. Aferin. Salak. You vowed to go on a diet, and this is you at 2 a.m.
Ah, soup.
Oh, you again? Let me come along, but I'm a bit too lazy. Hey, buddy, that's not a scratching post.
You don't want to come to the vet? We gotta get your toenails trimmed. We gotta get your toenails trimmed.
Being big definitely has its advantages when you're scared of the vet. but their sweetest little moments make it seem like they understand every word. Today, let's enjoy the funniest and most heartwarming secret conversations between these adorable best friends. Peace of mind.